Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing the Anker 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. It has recently been released in Canada and I've been waiting to get my hands on it. I upgraded from the Belkin 2-in-1 stand because I got an Apple Watch this past fall to track my workouts and runs. I'm a big fan of this unique design, the phone and watch branching out at different heights. I was using cables to charge all my devices, but it got so messy on my bedside table. Now with the Anker stand, my space looks so clean and I'm all over. It comes with a 15-watt charging plug and a USB-C cable. Now I can easily charge all my devices overnight and have them fully charged for my runs the next morning. Right now on Anker's Canada site, you can get the charging stand in black and white for only 99 bucks. It's a very good price for this quality of a wireless charging stand. Alright, so now I'll be doing a charging test. So all my devices are dead here except for the AirPods, where the AirPods are charged but the case isn't. So put the watch on, and then next the iPhone 13 Pro, then the AirPods, and yeah, I'll get back to you in 30 minutes and see how charged they are. Alright, so now it's been 30 minutes. Let's check on the devices. Watch is at 30%, phone got to about 41%, and the AirPods, let's see, when you connect them, the case got to about 20%. So let me know down below in the comments what you think of this charging stand and if you'll be buying it. Thanks again for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.